Hey guys, hello and welcome back to Spooky Old Owls here. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you find this interesting, continue to hit that notification bell so you can see me upload some more crazy videos. So guys, I just wanted to get back here and tell you guys, hey, thanks for coming back, watching my channel. Where I do DIYs, family vlogging, makeup, an occasional conversation here and there, and just some crazy stuff overall. Anyhow, how y'all doing? So today I decided that I'm going to do makeup and horror. Oh no, not a horror movie, that is. And over here on yonder screen is Amityville 3D. Have any of you seen that one? I'm a fan of the Amityville horror movies, and I totally and truly love all of them. So, let's get into it, guys. So, today I'm going to do me a little makeup-y face, and I'm going to jump right into what I've already put onto my face. Let's get into it, and let's talk about the product. So, beginning with this, I spritzed my face just to kind of give it an overall glow and wake up that sleepy face or whatnot. Next, I went in with my LA Pro Base Lancome Face Primer. Thirdly, and we're moving quickly, the Milani 2-in-1 Correct and Conceal in Warm Beige. I just picked this up because I ran out of little foundation on account that the one I was using was the old MAC Studio Fix, and I think it was old. It was getting oxidizing, made me look like an orange pumpkin, and I don't need that. Dealing with this whole turkey neck thing going on at my age is starting to stink. Menopause is not treating me well, and I'm really roughing it. So, you know, it is what it is, right? And so, for the eyes, guys, let's move on to the eyes. I use this Believe Beauty eye primer. A couple of dabs will do ya. Next, I'm going to set in and use my Morphe Conceal stick. I bought this and I feel like it's so dark. Just look at this. To me, it feels like it's dark. I don't know, maybe I need some dark, but anyway, I'm gonna head and just set myself up for probably a disaster and work on that. And if you guys know a better conceal corrector or contour, let me know in the comments below. Would appreciate your feedback. I'm just going to go ahead and blend this in, and as I work on this, guys, I will come back and get into the rest of the product and what palette I'll be using for the eyes. I haven't decided what I'll be using, but I'm just going to do something simple, and once I figure out what that's going to be, I will let you know. By the way, guys, I ended up using the LA Girl Conceal, and I'm trying this whole thing that everybody's doing, put it here and over here, and not this whole triangle anymore. I don't see a freaking difference whatsoever. Either A, I didn't apply enough, or I'm just being lazy today and not really putting a lot of effort into it. But yeah. Anyway, I do have this Morphe palette. It is a highlight and conceal palette, contour palette, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna go in there and just get some of this in the color Donut, and just kind of bring that. I don't know why. I feel like I have a too light hand on makeup, because when I see y'all do like your awesome makeup, I feel like I ain't putting enough, because you guys just stand out, and I'm just like, still to me, I feel like I'm really light shaded, and I feel like I didn't do anything. I feel like I didn't put anything, but then while I'm putting it on, I feel like I'm putting on a crap ton of product, and yet I feel like I don't see any difference. So I don't know. Maybe I need to have a heavy hand. I'm not sure. I'm going to go ahead and go with this eye palette today. This is by BHS Cosmetics, and it is actually the B of, what is this? Bixby Beauty? By Bixby Beauty. I don't know. So I'm going to grab some shades from out of here and see what I can create for this look. Wow, they must have seen something creepy in that old house. Anyway, I'm going to go in with this orange color here. I'm just going to take some of this on my brush and try to create, I don't know what, some kind of fall look. And to tell you the truth, I have not used this palette. It was gifted by my sister. Probably my only fan that watches my videos. Hi, sis. And, and I'm just kind of just going to go all over here. Create a mess, see what I can pull.
Nothing to touch or taste or smell.
It's a little frosty, little orangey, burnt, brownish color. Does it have a name? Yeah, it does have a name. Thoughtful. Oh, how thoughtful.
Look, Dr. West, I can come back. I don't have to...
Oh, no, this is fine. She's all right now. Let's continue.
It's pretty. It is lovely. Lovely. So I went in with this frosty color, which is in the shade Hopeful. And boy, is it frosty. See if I can lighten the load there a little bit. I feel like I need to go in with some, I don't know, something darker. So let's take another brush, and I'm going to go with this color here called in Bold. Looks like a taupey color. I'm going to just bring that right here into the center of my eye. Sorry, I'm chonking on gum. Yeah, I just decided I'm going to do makeup, you know, I guess raw. I'm not going to sit here and put all kinds of famous lightings. I've done all this before in my old past videos and just spent a lot of money and stuff. And you know what, to tell you the truth, I don't even go on here to get monetization or even try. There's no way I can compete with these women that just, they got great skills. I'm just here to kill time. And to tell you the truth, this helps me with my anxiety, keeping busy. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and put some liner on, see if this is bringing up some mascara. I'm going to go ahead with mascara today. I'm going to be using the Stila Mascara Pacifica by Stellar Gaze Lengthen Strengthen. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. And I'm thinking of false lashes. We'll see. I don't know. And yeah, let me just work on that. I'll be right back. So as I'm working on my eyes, guys, I'm laughing because it's a crazy movie behind me on, and it's so funny. The acting is crazy, right? And this one's crazy because it's crazy, but yet, like, I'm getting the creeps because nobody's home but me, and hearing all the damn sounds from the movie, I'm just like, ugh. Yeah, boy. Okay, I went in with the Clinique and lined my eyes, and then I went ahead and with the Ulta Beauty Jumbo Black, and I kind of just did a line here and smudged it out somewhat. Something, I don't know. But, you know, it's kind of looking to me kind of boringish. But hey, what can you do? Now I need to go in with blush, and I probably might, I don't know if I'm going to wear lashes, probably not. And, try to do something with this mop, if I feel like it. But, yeah. So I'm going to take this Pixie by Petra palette, and I'm going to use this shade here. I don't even know if it's a shadow shade or what the hell it is, but it looks orangey and frosty, and I'm going to use it for blush. Whoa. My other daughter gifted me this, and it's cute and everything, but let me tell you, I don't know what that is with the Pixie palettes, but they're really, like, they don't have enough pigmentation. I guess I like my makeup dark, and it's really light. This would be great on fair skin, but for some odd reason, this is not doing anything. I don't see crap. I see my contour, but I don't see blush whatsoever. I did have a cream blush I was going to use, but I chose not to, so I'm just going to go in and maybe just bronze this up a little bit. El Naturalzy. So look, I saw this trick on how to make big lips, and I'm trying it right now just to see what the hell, and you know what? This is weird because, like, I'm literally, like, drawing over my actual natural lip, and it feels weird. I don't know. This feels funky. Like, I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. Oh God. This dude's having like a problem on this movie. He's experiencing some kind of manifestation in the house. Yeah, the house got to tell him to get the F out. They are. He's gonna tell him, get out. Whoa. So this is Santee. It's a little cheapy, like a $2 stick. It's in the shade Cocoa. Well, there went all my whole stuff. Okay. So creating this fall line of to make it look like you have this huge lips. I don't know. Y'all just like it. I mean, I don't like it. It feels funny. I feel like somebody popped me in the mouth. It's crazy. Ooh. Oh my God. The flies are coming. You know that scene where the flies are coming? Yep, that's what's going on. The flies are coming. But anyway, this is like my overall look. And I'm going to be lazy and call it a day. I'm not going to wear any more stuff. I'm not. I think it's pretty good. These lips, though. Well, guys, again, thank you for watching my video and being here with me. If you like this and you want to see more, comment down below. If you have something bad to say to me, comment down below. I don't care. It is what it is. And I thank you guys for being here with me. It was a minute with a hoot. If you get a chance, watch Amityville Horror or Amityville in 3D. Yeah, that's something. And thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day. Stay safe. Mask up. And keep your social distancing. And we'll see you again on another video. Bye.